Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video, we are going to run our seventh program of control statement. So let us look at the program. So our program is write a program that asks any two numbers and display the greater one. So first of all, to display the greater number, we need two number first. So first of all, we use input command to enter any two number. So let us look at the program. So first of all, write cls. Then to display the greater number between two number, we need first of all two number. So we use input command to enter two number. So enter your first number. Enter your first number. So suppose first number is a. Suppose any variable. Input, enter your second number. Second number. Suppose second number is b. So here we use conditional statement, that is if then else statement. Like if our number, first number a is greater than b, then print is greater number, else print b is greater number. Last end if then end. So when we enter two number a and b, then simply first number is stored in a and second number is stored in b. Then it compare the a with b. If our first number is greater than second number, then it print first number is greater number, that is a is greater. Else it print b is greater, that is second number is greater. End if and end. So run our program. So run this program. So enter your first number. So suppose our first number is 50 and enter your second number. Second number is 20. Here a is the greater number, so it is right. Check once. So enter your first number. Suppose first number is 6, second number is 25. So b is greater, so it is right. So in this way we can print greater number between two number. So in this way we can print also a smaller number between two number. So thank you for watching this video.